Do you have one of these tripods from the olden days? My big clunky camera used to fit on here. Now what I want to use it for is I want to be able to take it outside when I video, and I don't need the huge light rings that I do for some of the videos that I take. But in order to do that, my phone doesn't quite balance on there good. We were given this item and it's gonna be perfect for that. Let me show you. There's a little screw on top and there's a hole right there. You literally just put it on there, screw it around and around, and let me show you some of the features that I like. Okay, so first of all, your phone's gonna fit right in here. Depends on the size you need. This little part screws right on the side, and it's literally to hold like a microphone in place. So you just unwind it, stick it in there, tighten that thing up so your microphone doesn't fall. This side has a receiver in case you do have a square light. You slide it into the bracket there, and it's ready to go. Want to see the next feature that I really like? It's the tiniest little tool here. Now, this is going to be a game changer. Let me show you. Let's go to my video section here. So let's say I want to take a video or I want to take a picture. All I have to do is hold this tiniest little thing and away it goes. It is videoing! And you turn it off the same way. So not only does it come with the holder that I'm gonna need, but it comes with the turner-oner that I would love to have. It's gonna be a game changer. So if you are in need to change an old tripod into a new one, then this is what I choose.